Hey guys, so of course I just finished watching my last video and I was very optimistic. I thought I would be getting to the form today. Obviously that won't be happening. Probably the next step would be to show the raw data. So we need to kind of set ourselves up for so that the development doesn't require re-clicks every time. So let's see, let me delete that folder. Um, so first thing we probably need to do is just come in here and set this guy to orthographic so that we're in that mode. It's kind of nice to use the drop down and then set editing to false. And then we need to go into the service and set this to orthographic. Now I'm wondering, and I don't know, I'm not sure. It's probably, who knows, but I'm wondering if we should be like now publishing the whatever the camera type is at any given time. Probably we'll need to do that at some point. This might not be the best time for it. Okay, so previously I'd also mentioned that we will at some point want to make like this camera manager is gotten out of hand, so we're going to want to make like these things into components. So the first component that we're going to do that with is this guy right here. So showing orthographic. Um, and so I'm going to create a new component. And the way I'm going to do that is in here. I'm going to just add a command. And this thing is going to be OG data. So that's what we'll do when we want to see that. I mean, that's going to create the form that is just going to be the pure data. And it's going to be ng generate component, and then we're going to call it OG data. I think that's good. Oh, we're going to want to put it inside of the toolbox folder and inside of the camera manager folder. And that should do it. So let's try it. npm run OG data. And that looks good to me. All right, so now to get to use it, we have to import it. We want to import the class into our imports of our camera manager. TypeScript. So comma, and then it offers to import it. And then we want to take that and we want to grab the tag, which is app OG data. We want to come in here and pull that in. Woohoo! OG data works. And then, so OG data needs to listen for changes. Let's see, did we set that up? I cannot remember. No, so we have our camera. We want our uh, orthogonal camera item signal as well. So I'm just going to copy this. And I'm going to put orthogonal camera. I'm just going to go ahead and take care of that down here right now. And this thing brings in an orthogonal camera interface. I'll go ahead and take care of that down here right now too. And then this one is going to bring in the orthogonal camera item. That was weird. That guy. There we go. And then this guy down here is going to calculate based on that signal. And that's that. So now we can go over there into our OG data component. Okay, we need to bring in our 3JS service. And then it can help us. Some help, please. And then this, for some reason, it can't help us. And then we can create a camera item, because in this context, it makes sense just to call this thing camera item. And this is an orthogonal camera interface, or it's undefined. And then we want to create a constructor. Let's see if we can do this effect right. Effect. Wow, and that got brought in. And we pass it in this thing right here. And then I believe we just say this dot camera item is equal to 3JS service dot, and then orthogonal camera item values. Yep. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, first time I've gotten this effect thing right on the first time. Well, I might be talking. Might not be right. We'll see. And then let's just say we're going to interpolate camera item. Yeah, that looks good. Let's go ahead and put this guy into a table. Or a tablet. No, no one says that. It's my favorite joke. So that's going to be our label. I just won't even, we'll just put this in here just to prove it works. And I'm just going to say bottom. Bottom. The user probably helps if for the user if we do these things in alphabetical order. Let's see, what's next? Far. Fart. Sorry. And then dot left. Left. And then dot near. Run out of time. Near. Then right. Right. Then what's after right? I guess that was top. I don't know why I want like bottom and top to be together. Right and left to be together. Here, let me pause this so the alarm doesn't go off. We're very close though, so I'm just going to finish up. I think it's just all that's left are the x's, the x, y, and z component, or position. last but not least, Z. There we go. And that probably looks right. Far as 2000, left -10, nears 0.01, right 10, top 10. Yeah, I think that all looks great. Anyway, so yeah, that's done now. Next next week we'll work, or tomorrow on the next video. I'll work on the form. So thanks and bye. Happy coding. Bye.